Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Students, today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is kingdom fungi, the characters of fungi. Students, fungi are eukaryotic, unicellular or even multicellular organisms. Some fungi are unicellular, many fungi are multicellular. Moving on, their mode of nutrition is saprophytic, meaning they depend upon dead and decaying organic matter, whereas many fungi are also showing the parasitic mode of nutrition, wherein they act as parasite on various plants and animals. Next students, reproduction is by various methods like fragmentation, budding, fission, spore formation, etc. There are some fungi which reproduce sexually, and in this case the steps include plasmogamy, which is the fusion of the cytoplasm, followed by karyogamy, which is the fusion of the nuclei, and finally followed by the division of cell known as meiosis. Moving on students, now let us talk about certain harmful fungi. Students, crops are attacked by certain species of fungus. Also students, ringworm and athlete's foot are diseases which are caused in us humans, and these diseases are fungal infections.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.